Alright, Denise, here's your 1/54th scale die-cast school bus model. It's a FS-65 and decaled, lighted, painted, decaled, painted, and decaled, and everything else like you wanted it to be. This is a Christmas present, so obviously I will leave it unlisted on YouTube, so it's not found until after Christmas at least. But obviously wanted you to see it before I ship it out. Lettering and everything. Again, I think Kentucky is about the only state, and I think some of the counties even don't have the black stripe. It looks so weird seeing a regular bus with just the black lettering on it versus like Kentucky buses with the black stripe with white lettering. But anyway, I'm sure I'll get some questions about that because I think this is only the second Kentucky bus I've done since I've been doing these. I don't think I've, only one other one that I've ever done the black background to like that. So anyway, but the wheels are painted black. You wanted the black windows, which looks really cool compared to. Here's what it starts out as. Of course, that one I was going to ready to make a small bus for this one. Anyway, very plain looking compared to this one with the black wheels and everything on it. Of course, it painted the roof white. Mentioned that. You got your dome or strobe light on the roof, your license plate, the exact license plate, and railroad crossing. We stop at railroad crossing sticker, number on the rear. Decals numbers on the side. Hickman County Schools on the passenger side, and Peepaw/Pawpaw's bus, and the number on the other side. I had to look at it, remember seeing the number over there, but anyway, numbers on both sides. As far as the battery goes, a little A23 that goes underneath here. The bus still rolls fine. Everything else works just like it should have when you get it new. The doors do open if you want to open them. I always have a problem opening them with my finger, but anyway, they will open. Switches are located on the bottom. The red one, I think, is self-explanatory. This one in the middle operates your headlights, taillights, and the roof strobe. We're going to turn that on first. There's your headlights. And, of course, you can see your roof strobe flashing. And then taillights. So, pretty cool looking there. Turn those off. Again, those will operate with the other lighting as well if you want. I'll demonstrate that here in a second. True alternating yellows and reds. Put it around here, and again, just to show you, you can use the headlights and tail lights with the yellows and reds. I'll turn those off. Hit the reds. Get those flashing. Again, true alternating. Requires a circuit board to do those. Circuit board for the yellows and circuit board for the reds. So actually 2 boards in there to have those operate like that. Turn that off a little bit. You can see the reds a little bit better. And like I said, always if you want to, you can run yellows, reds, and all the lights at once if you wish. So anyway, finish it up. Looks pretty daggone good, I think. Looks so much better than just the plain bus with just the yellow with the name on it. So anyway, I will get this shipped out to you tomorrow. Actually, you may get it before you even get the email about this. I may text you. I don't know if you can get that email or not from a text. I'll send it to you. At least you know that it's finished up. And so as always, I appreciate it. And get this down to you down there in southern part of Kentucky here in just a few days. Thank you very much.